Welcome to DTV Antenna Primer Part 3. In this section we discuss coax connections and show how to scan for channels. The backs of all TVs are different. The coax coming from your antenna is going to screw into a connector that looks like this. These are called F connectors or RF connectors for radio frequency connector. This one's marked antenna/cable in. If you have two of these connectors in the back of your TV, one will be marked antenna, one will be marked cable in, then you want to go into the one that's marked antenna. If you have a screw-on fitting, if you need to use a wrench, then the size is 7/16 SAE. It's not a metric wrench, at least not in the United States. And the tip I can give you is don't over tighten. You want it just finger tight. If you're using a wrench, stop as soon as you meet resistance. The next step is to turn on your TV and press the input or source button on your remote control. It could be labeled either input or source, and you want to change the input from wherever it is now to TV. Here we're looking at the resulting menu that comes up on an LG Smart TV, at least on this particular one. And you can see that we have various inputs. We have AV component, HDMI 2, HDMI 1. The one you want to select, regardless what the menu looks like, is TV. If TV is not selected, we won't be able to go on to the next step, which is to press the menu button on your remote and navigate down to the satellite dish or something that suggests setup channels. And here you can see auto tuning. That's what we want. Click that. Asking for the antenna connections are already done, and then it just starts processing and scanning for channels. Now you can see that we've got digital television. The next one down is in gray is analog television. Don't have that, haven't had that in my area for 10 years or more. We can skip it. Don't have any cable at all. We can skip those last two sections. We're already up to 40 some channels found. On a new TV, this procedure only takes a minute or so. On an older TV, it might take quite a few minutes. And as soon as it drops to TV or set cable, I'm going to cancel because don't have those things. So 61 channels found in just under a minute. That's what we can get in our area. So I click stop, done, and here we are. That's showing our first channel. Now I'm just going to scroll up through the channels by continuously pressing the up button. I don't think we're going to go through all 61, but you get an idea of what we got. Now, how often should you scan for channels? Well, if whenever your favorite channel suddenly disappears, something that you're used to watching, it may have changed to a new channel number. So that's a good time to rescan for channels. Back in 2007, we only got 30 channels or so. Now in 2019, we're getting 60 channels. Some parts of the area are reporting over 100 channels. So things are changing all the time, and it's a good idea to rescan from time to time to pick up the new ones and delete the old ones. Another good time to scan for channels is in the fall. Right around Thanksgiving, lots of shopping channels come online. They're seasonal. They go away in January, so if you don't scan around Thanksgiving, you'll never even know that they were there. So Thanksgiving is a good time to rescan as well. That's pretty much all there is to it. Since 2007, our antenna has saved me over $4,000 in basic cable TV fees. That's a lot of money. If searching on DTV antenna maps shows ample channels in your area, why not give it a try? It's a rewarding project. It saves a ton of money. So thanks for watching. Good luck with your DTV antenna project.